Welcome to kidsacademy.mobi.
Hello everyone, let's open the worksheet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can find the link to this app in comments below. We have another worksheet. The name of our worksheet is called Learning Sight Words, C Words. The directions say, look at the pictures and read the sentences below. Circle the correct word that could replace the picture in each sentence. So what we're going to do is we're going to be looking through our sentences, and every time we come to a picture, we're going to find the word for that picture down below that can replace that picture. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. The first one is the blank is in the oven. What is this a picture of? I bet you know what it is. It's one of my favorite things. It's a cake, isn't it? Yes. So the cake is in the oven. We need to find the word cake below. So let's take a look. We've got cat, car, cake, and chair. Which one of those is cake? Did you hear it? Let's read it again. Cat, car, cake. There it is. There's cake. So the directions say to circle it. Let's go ahead and circle it. The cake is in the oven. Okay, great job. We've got two more here. The next one says, my blank has black paws. What is that a picture of? That is a cat, isn't it? So we're looking for the word cat. Let's look at our choices below. We've got cake, cat, car, and cow, don't we? Yes. So let's see which one of those words fits that picture. Did you hear it? Let's read it again. Cake, cat. There it is. That's a cat, isn't it? Let's go ahead and circle cat. My cat has black paws. And she does, doesn't she? Okay, the last one down here says, put on your blank. What is that? Is it... Some of you might have said jacket and some of you might have said coat. I'm not sure which one it is, but let's look at our options below. Okay, we're either looking for jacket or coat. So let's read our options. Car, chair, coat, and cow. And you remember too, we're also looking for C words, and jacket doesn't start with a C, so coat makes sense. And I heard it down below. Did you hear it? Let's look again. Car, chair, coat. There it is. There's coat and cow. So it was coat. We're going to circle coat right here. And let's make sure that that makes sense. Put on your coat. Did you do it? Yeah, we found it, didn't we? Great job. You guys are so awesome. I'll see you again next time, okay? Bye-bye.
Like us and subscribe to our channel. Find links to our apps in comments below.